wonderful. Te-Awhi.
Aloha, and welcome to another edition of the Hawaii Calls radio program. We have a terrific show for you today, but before we get started, let's go to weatherman Kavika Mitchell for today's forecast.
Thanks, Rob. The weather in Waikiki looks a little iffy today. We can expect only 11 hours of sunlight, as the chance of rain has dramatically increased to 2%. Look for a high of 82 degrees and a low of 81 degrees. On the brighter side, things should be better tomorrow. Back to you, Rob.
Thanks, Kavika. Our special guest today is the Sounds of Aloha Chorus, and they'd like to welcome you in their own special way. Aloha! Everyone! Aloha! Our show today features the songs of old Hawaii with swaying palm trees, glistening sands, and cool breezes. Aloha! Circa 1960, as we relive the songs that put Hawaii on the map. Tiny bubbles in Hawaii make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over. Everybody loves a hukilau, where the laulau is the cow and the big luau. Oh, throw our net out into the sea, and all the ama come a swimming to me. Oh, we're going to a hukilau, hukilau. Sorry to interrupt, buddy. I just got an emergency news flash from Kavika Mitchell. We go to Kavika live now, high aboard the KORD weather helicopter.
Thanks, Rob! We wanted our listeners to be prepared for a sudden cold snap headed our way. Bundle up, because we expect temperatures to plummet to 76 degrees tonight. Stay warm, everybody!
We now return to our regularly scheduled
program with a song that was written in 1938. The composer, Andy Cummings, was on his way back to his hotel on a cold, foggy night in Lansing, Michigan, when his thoughts turned to the warm sunshine and rolling surf of his beloved Hawaii. The song practically wrote itself. And now, under the direction of Bonnie McKibben, we bid you a fond aloha with the classic Waikiki.
There is a feeling deep in my heart, staring at me just like a dart. It's a feeling heavenly, so heavenly. I see memories out of the past, memories that always will last, of a place beside the sea, beside the sea. Waikiki, at night when the shadows are falling, I hear your rolling surf calling, calling and calling to me. Waikiki, it's for you that my heart is yearning. My thoughts are always returning out there to you across the sea. Your loving eyes and your wonderful charms are ever in my memory. And I recall when I held in my arms an angel sweet and heavenly. Waikiki, Waikiki, my whole life is empty without you. I miss that magic of